I thought I was her boyfriend. But I was just the fluffer. Be me. 25. Terminally lonely, peak incelcore. Meet hottest girl of my actual life on Bumble. Tattoos, nose ring, dyed hair. Says she's alt and entrepreneurial. Brain, police car light, red flags, police car light. Penis, proceed. Start dating. She calls me babe, sends heart emojis, holds my hand. The underscore feeling underscore when.jpg. Think I finally beat the game on hard mode. One night she casually says, by the way, I do OnlyFans, that cool. Me, OFC babe, I support your grind. Clown makeup slowly applying. She says her photographer is coming over for a shoot. Me, cool, I'll just chill in the kitchen. Doorbell rings. I open it. It's 6 feet 4 inches gigachad. Shirt unbuttoned, tattoos, chain, jawline that could slice diamonds. Smirks, yo chief. Calls her babe too. She giggles and says, stop, you're bad. Me standing in kitchen holding Pringles like confused NPC. They disappear into bedroom. Hear giggling, bed thumping. She told me it's just lingerie pics. Brain, run. Heart, love is real. Penis, maybe it's fine. They come out all sweaty. She hugs him. He fist bumps me, appreciate you, chief. Y_M_alive.mp3. Starts coming over 2 to 3 times a week. They shoot content 4 hours. I bring them water. Literally unpaid cuck intern. Ask her one night, who is he, really? She shrugs, he's just my content partner, babe. We're just friends. Heart believes her. Brain already writing suicide note. Come home early one day. Bedroom door cracked. She's fully riding him like it's the Kentucky Derby. Moaning like I've never heard. He sees me. Waves mid-stroke, yo chief, you're back early. She gasps, it's for content. He laughs, POV scene, bro. It's not what it looks like. It underscore is underscore exactly underscore what underscore it underscore looks underscore like dot JPEG. Walk out without saying a word. Flowers still in hand. Sit in car for 2 hours. Call my friend. Tell him everything. He wheezes, bro, you weren't her boyfriend, you were the fluffer. Reality shatters. Block her. Delete pics. Leave group chat. Blackout curtains installed. Weeks later, see their boyfriend experience collab on Twitter. Caption, full boyfriend experience 2 hearts. It's literally my bed. Bed frame I built with my hands. Sheets I washed. Sit in cold shower fully clothed. Brain colder. The feeling when I paid rent. The feeling when I bought dinner. The feeling when I paid utilities. The feeling when I was never player 2. I was the tutorial NPC.